This is the L&R Boat Latch, and this is how it works. So, first things first, we're going to unhook the safety chain and get that out of the road. And then, with the boat latch, you're going to flick that over and allow it to catch the boat. And then flick it back into the launch position. Now, we're in the boat and the boat's still sitting on the trailer being supported by the boat latch. So all we need to do is start the motor up and apply a small amount of forward thrust, which I'm going to do now. And when the boat moves forward, it takes the weight of the boat off the boat latch will flick open and allow the boat to come off the trailer. So obviously making sure everything's okay to do that. A little bit of forward momentum. And off we go. So now we're going to retrieve the boat using the boat latch. This is the boat latch here. You can see on the sticker here, you got launch is with that over here to the L, the lever. And if you flick it over to the right, you watch that boat latch pops over into place. Now what will happen is when the boat comes up and contacts it, it'll move it out of the road and it'll catch. So we're going to go and do that now. So for retrieving using the boat latch, we've got everything connected up on the trailer, everything ready to go on the trailer. As you just saw, the boat latch is hooked over to the retrieve position. So now it's just a case of driving the boat up nice and steadily onto the trailer, letting everything settle when it first hits, and then once everything's straightened up, you want to just drive up gently until the boat latch does its work. So you see, we're just going to pause, let everything settle and straighten up before we drive up the boat ramp, up the trailer slowly. Well, there you go guys, there's a quick little video, not much to it, but that hopefully shows you how the L&R Boat Latch can help launch and retrieve your boat. Now I go on about how good this is for me with single-handed launching, as in launching and retrieving my boat on my own, and how much it helps me. But that's just because of that's the situation I deal with. This is such a valuable tool for anyone launching and retrieving no matter what, especially on a roller trailer. But even if you do have two people, this is the sort of setup that you can get it all set up before you launch. You can have one person in the boat, one person in the car, and no one even has to get out and muck around with trailers and winches. It's just so easy. So that's him. That's how I've got it set up on my boat. Check out the Freshest Fishing blog. You can see a little bit of a write-up there about what I had to do to fit it up and make it work. And hopefully that gives you a little bit of help if you are going to fit one of these up on your boat. I highly recommend you do. And if you are going to, the people I would see about it is North Coast Boating Centre at Urunga. They're the guys that helped me out with mine, and I wouldn't trust anyone else with anything to do with my boat. So definitely go and see those guys.